and girls. How is everyone feeling on this lovely afternoon? Everyone good? Oh my, you guys are very quiet this afternoon. Come on, I spent the whole day talking to birds. At least some human interaction right now, okay? Are you guys okay? Alright, I'm so glad that you are, okay? By the way, thank you for visiting the Jurong Bird Park and supporting us throughout all these years as we celebrate our 50th Golden Jubilee birthday. So thank you very much. Everyone, keep your eyes right over there. Everyone, it's Susie, our American bald eagle, and also the emblem for the United States of America. Wow. By the way, we're coming up, which feeds on a carrion, just like the one you see over there. Now when I mention the word carrion, what bird do you associate it with? Vultures, that's right. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, presenting to you, Titan. Good afternoon, Titan. Titan here is a turkey vulture, and they can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. So when we talk about birds of prey, we would usually think that they would hunt for their food high up in the sky, a big fight with their prey, right? Now, the next bird coming up is actually really cute, okay? It is going to forage the forest ground instead, okay? It looks for its food by foraging the forest ground. Okay, for this instance, everyone, I've got some rocks on stage, okay? Alright, let me just pull this leaf up. I've got rocks there, a pile of leaves, and with me I've got 2 pieces of tree barks, okay? And I'm gonna put food underneath to simulate the food that these birds go for, such as worms or insects, okay? I've already placed a piece of food underneath. I'm gonna cover it just like so. Leaves here. Okay, and underneath the rocks, I'm gonna put some food as well. Okay, just like so. Alright. Looks like the stage is ready. The basket back inside. Are you ready to make the next star? Yes? Alright, then put your hands together. Let us now welcome Rahul. Wow, Rahul, that was an entrance. Isn't he adorable, everyone? Straight to the rocks, look at him go. He is using his feet to overturn the rocks. Overturn the rocks. That's right. Okay? Using his feet, he overturned the rock to see what is underneath these items, okay? Now, Rahul, thank you. How about the leaf? Right over here. That's right. You see that? With long legs and flat claws, these birds are able to overturn rocks and sweep leaves using its feet. Do it for us properly. One more time. Give me a good swipe. Okay, here you go. Well done. Okay, Rahul, come on. The tree bark. He uses his beak as well, okay, to lift the tree bark to see what is underneath it. Now, everyone, sometimes their luck is not so good, okay, the insects might take off. But Rahul over here, unlike other birds, okay, they can do vertical jump, just like so. See that? So, a higher chance of getting their food. Well, that is a very low one, because I'm not very tall. Alright, let's try something higher this time, okay? Rahul, show off your skills a little bit more, okay? Let me get into a better position. Right over here, Rahul. High one. Wow! Big hand for that, everyone. You're very good at that indeed. Rahul, right up there, buddy. Up there, yes. Okay, by the way, everyone, Rahul here is a southern crested caracara, and they can be found in South America. They are the largest of all caracara species. Yes. And let me tell you something interesting about Rahul, okay? He is already 30 years old, everyone. 30 years old, just as old as me, but look at him, still strong and very, very active indeed. Okay, Rahul, thank you for joining us this afternoon. And I guess it's time for you to head back home. Rahul of Southern Crescent, Karakara, everybody. Thank you very much. Okay, but this time, earlier on you see Titan, right? Titan is from South America. But this time we will see a vulture from Africa indeed. Okay, and this vulture is critically endangered. It is a hooded vulture. And they can be found in Africa. Look at that fly. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there are many different species of vultures that can be found in Africa. But the hooded vultures are one of the smallest vultures that can be found there. Okay? Now, the hooded vultures, they are considered because their numbers are not thriving really well. And it needs a lot of our care and concern. Okay? Alright, another flight down to me. Okay, and we will talk more about why they are critically endangered later on in the show, okay? In the meantime, everyone, take a good look at Hazel. You see that she has feathers on her head that resembles as if she is wearing a hood, right? So that is how they get the name the hooded vulture. And the interesting thing about Hazel here is that she is the longest star in the show. How about big hand for that? Thank you so much. Alright, Hazel, thank you for joining us. And I guess you know the way back home to Hafiz. Ladies and gentlemen, Hazel, our hooded vulture. Our next bird of prey coming out is a very good snatcher. Okay, and it is a local bird. Local bird of prey, okay? So, that is why at the start of the show I told you guys not to have your food around, because these birds, they will come down and snatch your food away as well. Okay, so please keep all your food items away. And for those of you holding on to umbrellas, okay, now's the best moment to actually just close it for a while. Thank you so much. Okay, enjoy this moment because these birds, they are going to fly low above you. That's right. And have your mask on at all times. Do not remove them, okay? That's because when these birds are flying low above you, you look up, you go, wow! They might drop something behind. Okay, that's why it's a good thing to have your mask on. So, over here, I'm going to steal a piece of meat right at the tip of the stick. Just like so. Alright, so everyone, the bird is going to come out and snatch it away. Get your cameras ready. Wait, hold on. And that's right, here he is! Very good snatch, everyone. Did you see that? Some of you look at me like, wow, that was nice. But some of you look at me like, hey, where's the last and final throw? A very high one indeed. Okay, get your cameras ready. Okay, we'll wait for that one to get into position first. East Asia, including India as well as some parts of Australia. These birds, they are the most sighted birds of prey right here in Singapore. So for all you locals, have anyone of you seen before a Brahmani kite? Oh, you have! Oh, good for you! Now many of you have not. And in case you want to have a closer look, we have one right inside the Raptor Retirement Aviary, okay? Later on your way out, have a good look at him. We have Wally inside there. Wally used to perform in the show just like these Brahmani kites, okay? And when they reach a certain old age, we will let them rest and enjoy the rest of their retirement. So the Jurong Bird Park still takes good care of them despite their old age, alright? Now talking about old age, it reminds me of Rod Stewart. Yes, do you know who Rod Stewart is? Not the legendary singer, okay? In fact, it is our legendary Egyptian vulture. It is the oldest Egyptian vulture in captivity. And also, it is even older than the Jurong Bird Park. That's right. So have a look later on, okay? Look out for them. Wally and Rod Stewart. Okay, so these birds, these Brahmani kites, they can be found along the coastal areas as they feed on crustaceans as well as fish, okay? Therefore, keep a lookout for them as well. In the wild, you might spot one or two of them flying around. So ladies and gentlemen, moving on, right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we do lots of rescue and conservation work as well. Our next bird of prey was actually rescued and nursed back to good health by us. So, let me introduce to you, Ganges. Wow! Hello, Ganges. Ganges is a Himalayan griffon vulture, and they can be found in the higher mountains of the Himalayas. Some young migrating juveniles heading towards south happen to lose their way and find themselves stranded across parts of Asia. Ganges was one of them. He was found along the shopping districts of Orchard Road, right here in Singapore. That was back in 2005. The authorities called us in and we went to rescue him. Okay, well, in Orchard Road, he wasn't shopping, okay? In fact, he was at the brink of his life. And we went to rescue him, nurse him back to good health. Now take a good look at him, everyone. Don't you agree with me that he looks strong and healthy now? Right? In fact, he is a survivor. And we are really proud of you, Ganges. Okay. Wow, look at him. The Mina is taunting you, aren't they? Oh, both of them are taunting you. Okay, not to worry, Ganges. Thank you for joining us this afternoon, alright? And I guess you know the way back home, Ganges. Home is... Yes, before the Mina take your food. Home is all the way inside. Maybe everyone say goodbye to Ganges. Oh, you like the limelight, aren't you? Okay, come on, Ganges. Let me send you back. Okay, Ganges, all the way inside. Yeah, here goes, ladies and gentlemen, Ganges, our Himalayan griffon vulture. Thank you. So, we shall continue. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring you more. Ladies and gentlemen, keep a lookout for the one coming out right back there. That is the alpha for our wake of vultures. The leader indeed. Shadows, barons, and borans. The cinereous vultures, which can be found in Europe and Asia, some parts of Africa as well. Well, the cinereous vultures, they are also known as the monk vultures, okay, because of their features. And the two ladies right out here, they are the marabou storks from Africa. They are also known as the old man's stork, everyone. That's because of the way they look. Well, it is a very common sight to see these birds coexisting with each other, feeding on a carrion just like the one you see right over there where Shadow is. But everyone, you know that vultures, they are very important to our environment. That's because they stop the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carrions which might carry viruses. Well, their digestive system are so strong that they might eliminate those viruses. But sadly, vultures' population are declining rapidly in the wild due to deforestation, poaching, and even deliberate poisoning of carcasses. So let us do our part to create an awareness so that these birds get to stay alive. And after having seen all these birds being flown here today, everyone, I'm sure that you would agree with me that they certainly deserve and merit the title, the King of the Sky. Thank you very much. Well, we have come to the end of the show. But remember everyone, please remain in your seat until my colleagues call out for your roll. Okay, with that, from me and my team, we'd like to thank every single one of you for your continuous support. Have a nice day in the park. Thank you so much and goodbye. Thank you so much. Out here, just very fast while we usher you out in an orderly manner, okay? Thank you.